Hello folks, back here. So thought we'd get started on a little bit different video today. Realized yesterday when I was out running some errands that the turn signal on my truck was out, and I recognized this, for those that don't know, because when I turned the turn signal on, in this case it was to go right, that the blinker interval was much faster than normal. Right, instead of blink, 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 it was blink, 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 blink. So anytime you get that, that's an indication that one of your turn signal lights is out, whether it's the front one or the rear one or whatnot. So turns out it's the right rear. I've got the new bulb, and I'm going to go ahead and install it here. Luckily, it's going to be pretty straightforward and simple. Okay, so to do this, it really is easy, because we just got two bolts, or nuts, bolts rather, right here and right here that have to come out, and then this whole assembly is going to come out, and then we'll just be able to take the bulbs out of the sockets from there. These happen to be 8mm bolts, so we have our trusty socket wrench right here that we'll use to take that out. So I'll set you up on the tripod so you can see us do this. Just loosen these up. Of course, it falls down into the spot it's hard to get to. That's the way it works. Okay, that, and you just kind of wiggle the lens unit out, or so I've been told. Pop the clips, hold it in place. There we go. Oops, comes right out. So you can see we got lower one here is the reverse light. The upper one up here is the turn signal. So we just really need to turn that and pull that out. There is the bulb. It just pulls straight out like that. Now this bulb serves both as your brake light, your tail light, and your turn signal. It's got a double filament in it. So the new one should just slide right in. So let me seat that back, turn it, and then on here you'll see, there's some, see if we can get that, there's some clips on the top and the bottom, the lens, and then back in the truck bed here, there's two holes that has to be directed into to get them to line up in the right spot, which you can see pretty easily as you're sliding it back in. And then there's same here on the front. Go. Then all lined up. Push it back in. That screw started. you want to tighten these up, but don't go too tight. I mean, you're screwing into plastic. If you go too tight on them, you break the lens assembly where the screw goes in. Just get it tight enough to hold it in place. Don't go crazy. So that's it as far as changing the bulb. Now I'm going to quickly go. We'll go test it now. Okay, so there you go. You can see new bulb in place, and blinker is working. So it was pretty straightforward and simple to replace that bulb. Just the two bolts came out, wiggled the lens assembly out, took the bulb socket, rotated it till it popped out, just pulled the bulb straight out, put the new bulb back in, and then put it all back in place and screw it in. So pretty straightforward. So there we go. Quick, easy job for that one. Of course, those that have been watching, we still have much work to do on this car. So look for more videos coming up on it very soon. So with that, y'all have a great one, and thanks for watching.